Hello students, in today's video of Python, let us try to do this program, count even and odd numbers from a list using dictionaries. Suppose this one is the list. You can enter any number. Suppose this one is the list, and you have to calculate how many even numbers are there and how many odd numbers are there. Let's design one function. Then empty dictionary. If D is even, let it be 0. Then declare D odd. Basically, these are the key values. In first attempt, let it be 0 for I in A. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, that is the number is divisible by 2, that is even number, then D even is incremented by 1. You can use shorthand operator here. Else, if the number is not even, then the number is odd. It means in the odd dictionary or declared as the key odd, let's say incremented by 1, then return or you can write print D. Then passing this value inside function. Let us execute the program. 2 even numbers are there and 8 odd numbers are there. 2 and 4. Only 2 and 4 are even and all other numbers are odd. Suppose I write 12 here, then even numbers are 3. In this way you can do the programming in using dictionary to find even and odd numbers. Thanks for watching my video.